You know what? I love you lot. On my last video last week, somebody sent me an email and they said, Jamie, no offense, right? Don't take it personally. But I watch your videos and you're losing your hair. So if you ever want a hair transplant, come see me. And I thought, you know what? I was down the pub. I had a beer in my hand. I was just about to watch the England game. And I read my email and I think, great, thanks for ruining my day. I'm fully aware that I'm losing my hair. And it's probably you lot stressing me out. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to show you the only price action method you need. The only one. But before we do that, I just want to quickly show you some results because they're amazing, like usual, in the group, in the BD group. 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks of Mogwai reversal has pulled me out of this hole. I've dug myself, almost lost the account using other people's signals. I'm excited for the journey. Thanks to this community. Again, nice little before and after. What's this one down here? Had the same on one of my other accounts, recovered into profit from a 9% loss. What's going on down? I mean, look at that for a setup. Bloody hell. Beautiful. Smashed it. What's this one here? Smashed it. It's insane. Where's the bottom bit here? What's this? Beautiful. Again, meanwhile, my EU account is just on fire, 2% away. Amazing. Right, anyway, okay. The only price action method you need. Now, you need to understand two things. Reality and speculating, okay? Two big differences. I want to show you the difference now, right? The difference between speculating and reality. And what I'm going to teach you is reality. I'm going to teach you to use your eyes. You need to be confident on the charts, right? And being confident is actually making your trading very simple. I always, let me just mute this group. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I had to mute the Telegram group. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, so if you're going to be a full-time trader, you need to be confident in what you are doing, okay? You need to be able to say to yourself, you know what? I'm a full-time trader now. I'm going to quit my job. I'm going to trade full-time. If you're going to do that, you got to damn well make sure you know what you're doing, right? You've got to be confident, okay? And to do that, I'm going to show you right now. And like I said, there's a big difference between reality and speculating, right? I'm going to teach you to use your eyes, okay? So what do I mean by speculating? So speculating is when you draw some kind of level or box or whatever on your chart. So this could be an institutional level, support and resistance level, trend line level, fair value gap, order block, institutional level, whatever, bankers level, whatever, okay? This is speculating by saying when price comes up to here, I will sell from it. Now, do I trust the bank with my money? No, I don't. So why would I trust a bank is going to sell at that level? I'm not, right? I don't want to trade like that. I don't want to hope that somebody sells here and I can make money. I don't want to do that. You want to flip your thought process. So instead of marking up a level and going, when price comes up to this level, I will sell. When price comes up to this level.
When price comes up to this level.
When price comes up to this level, it is an uptrend. So why would you not buy it? Think about that. If price is in a downtrend, who's going to win this? The sellers or the buyers? Which one? Because I'm not joking you, in a downtrend like this here, people will sell this with the trend and people will buy it against the trend because they'll say, it's been in a downtrend for a few hours now, I will buy it. Who's going to win? The sellers or the buyers? The sellers. Majority of the time, the sellers will win. Why? Because you're using your eyes and seeing that price is in a downtrend, right? And this is what I want everyone to see, because I have this every time with the members, right? They'll go, Jamie, is this a setup? You know, is it a valid setup? Would I take it? And I go, okay, what's your eyes telling you? What is the market doing? You should know what a setup looks like. You should have your set of rules. You should know when to exit a trade, enter a trade, where to put your stop loss and take profit. So you tell me right now, is this an uptrend or a downtrend? If you are unsure, then you then know that that's what you need to work on, identifying a trend, okay? If you're sitting there and going, okay, I'm still unsure, then back out and say, I'm not going to take the trade because I'm unsure. There's no point asking me on my opinion, because I'll give you my opinion, but you need to think for yourself and build that confidence up. So if we jump on the charts right here, right? Okay, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, now this is what I see, not what I'm speculating. I'm not going, oh, look, there is a resistance line here, so I'm going to sell. I mean, there is actually a resistance line just there, but I'm not going to sell from there because, you know, if prices go into that level, it's very much likely an uptrend. Okay, and again, if I just get this out the way here, right, it's very likely that this will be a support line and this will be a resistance. Okay, this is speculating. I am assuming price will come here and go up. Well, if it's coming down and I see lower lows, I'll sell, but we'll go over that in a minute. Okay, so what do we see? We see price going sideways. We can see like this here, and we can see there, right? It doesn't need to be perfect, right? We're not artists, but this is confidence building, right? So we sit and wait. What's the market telling us now? Okay, so let's just quit. What I'll do is I'll put it like this. Okay, so we're just sitting here. We're sitting here. Okay, right. Has that broken that high just there? Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, now, what do we see happening? Well, I can see a clear uptrend. I don't know about you, but I can see an uptrend. So I can see here, right? If I just bring it on here, we have had our previous low, a previous high. We've had some kind of double top pattern. There's been a level here, but we've now created that higher high and we've created a higher high. We're above the moving average, okay? So using my eyes and looking at the reality of this is an uptrend, okay? Now what you don't want to do, okay, if I just see if there is some levels, okay, let's just, okay, I'm just going to draw a random level just here. I'm just going to draw a random level just, where's my little box? Give that, okay? Sorry, the camera's in the way, I can't see. Right, okay? So we can safely say, right, based on support and resistance, we have a level just there. You see that? Right, you see that level just there? Right? Support and resistance level, institutional level, whatever, okay? It doesn't matter, it's just a level. Now, to say I'm going to sell from this level, okay, would be risky because it's an uptrend. So rather than speculating, why don't you look at the reality of this? Actually, Jamie, this is an uptrend. So why would I sell an uptrend? Just think about that, right? If you are such an amazing trader and you're marking up all these levels and you're losing and you're losing and you're losing and you're going, why? Well, look at the reality of it. It's an uptrend. Okay, so what we always want to do, like this here, right? Now, the worst thing is if, now watch this, right? I wonder if we'll retest this level. Okay, I wonder if we'll retest it. Bang, look at that retest. Okay, oh my God, I did not, right, okay, I did not know that was going to happen. I didn't know that was going to happen, right? Okay, right, so look at this. Perfect. Now, look at this, right? You see how we've created that higher high, right? We're clearly going into an uptrend and we've actually come back up and retouched this level. Now this is using this level in our favor because we're now trading with the trend, with a support line and a Mogwai reversal setup, okay? And this is really where I want, let me just take this trade. Okay, I'm going to go long position here. I'll put my stop loss just there. 6 pips. We'll go for a 1-to-1. I'll move my stop loss to break even. Okay, hopefully I win the trade. Bang, beautiful. Okay, so now I've won this trade. Okay, I'll move my stop loss to break even. I'll target a 1-to-2. So I've locked in some profits. Do I get a 1-to-2 out of this trade? Okay, I'm out there. That's me out. Okay, done. Okay, win the trade. Now, this is what I want to teach you, is always use your eyes. Let's just, what we'll do, right, is I want to show you, okay, let's do it again, right? You ready? So 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, stop. Yeah, watch this. Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1, stop. Bang. Okay, watch this. Ready? So we'll do this together. Now ask yourself, don't sit there and say, is this a setup? Is this a trend? Is this a setup I would take? Let's use our eyes. Let's build up the confidence. Don't speculate. Use your eyes. Okay? What is the charts telling me? At the minute, it's an uptrend. Okay? You see a break and retouch. Higher high. Okay? Higher low. It's above the EMA. It's an uptrend. Okay? Nothing more, nothing less. And I'm not looking at any other price action technique. No, I don't know, whatever, price action technique you want to look, right? Okay. Okay, right now, what's happening? What can I see now, ladies and gentlemen? What can I see now? Okay, I can see a high. I can see a lower high. I can see a lower low. And I can see a lower high. Now, this is actually a very perfect setup because let me explain something. To have a trend, you need this. Higher high, higher low. For a downtrend, you need lower low, lower high. You can't have a lower low. I've done that completely wrong. Give me a sec here. You can't have higher high, higher low. You can't have that. You can't have that. Because it's not an uptrend. You can't have a higher high and a lower low in the same structure. That's not going to doesn't work. I mean, what is that? It's not an uptrend. It's not a downtrend. So that must mean that if we take a trade, we're just going to lose it and get stopped out. So there's not much point. This is a very good example. Now, I'm already 5 steps ahead of this because I can see, right, an area of structure, right? Now, like I said, I said earlier about, don't buy and sell from levels, but I can see what's going to happen. We're going to get a Mogwai signal. We're going to touch this zone here. Okay, no, we're not. Our setup is going to be, come on, give me it. Where's my setup? Okay, where's my setup here? Okay, hold on, give me a sec here. Okay, now, look at this. Okay, follow price. Just follow price. You ready? Downtrend, pull back. Downtrend, pull back. Downtrend, pull back. Downtrend, pull back. Is this a lower high? Yes, 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 yes. This is a trade that we would take with the trend. Okay, if I just, I need to move this camera. There we go. There we go. Right, okay. I'm going to pop this down here as well. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this one here. Jobs are good. And if I actually just mark up this level down this here, right? Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Now, this is clearly a downtrend. It's using my eyes. It's not going, would I take this trade? If you're unsure on a trade, break it down, use your eyes. Don't forget support and resistance. Well, I used to make a lot of money trading support and resistance, and technically that is a break and retouch. But what I mean about support is don't sit there and go, oh, but Jamie, there is a support line there. This will get broken. If this is a downtrend, this will get broken. And if it's creating lower lows like this and lower highs, right, you are going to win that trade. And the more you take perfect setups, the more you're going to win it, right? Look at that. Beautiful. Straight into profit. You ready? Okay, comes down to the low. Bang. Now watch this. Watch what I see now. Is this a downtrend? Well, if it doesn't break this low, then it's not a downtrend. Has it broken that low? Okay, yeah. Hold on, let's see what happens here. Okay, now we need to ask ourselves, what is price doing? Is this an uptrend or a downtrend? It is neither, okay? Because we have the support line there. Yes, there's like with wicks below it, but this isn't really, I mean, that's just rejection wicks, okay? But we have a clear support and we have the clear high, okay? So this is neither an uptrend or a downtrend. We wouldn't trade nothing. Don't sit there and go, well, this might happen or that might happen. Forget that. Just forget it, okay? Focus on what we see. Are we going to break to the upside or are we going to break to the downside? Okay, so this is what you want to do. Start to break it down. Okay, what happens? Okay, we break to the downside again. Okay, now would we take sale? Look, see, pure manipulation. Lower low, higher high. You can't have a lower low and a higher high in the same It just won't happen. Now watch this. What people will do is they'll probably buy from here and it might get stopped out. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, you see, bang. Now why would people get stopped out buying from that support line? That's a break and retouch. Yeah, but you can't have a lower low and a higher high in the same thing. It just won't work. Right? Use your eyes, spot a trend. Let me just end it on a losing trade, right? I'll show you a losing trade. I'll show you a trade that doesn't meet the rules. Well, it does meet the rules, but it doesn't, okay? I don't know. I'm just going to find one randomly. I'm going to find one randomly. Okay, everything seems to be meeting rules. Okay, that's a beautiful trade that I took just there. I mean, look, to give you an example here, right? I won't show you one because we've gone forever. But look at the two amazing trades that I took apparently last Thursday or 2 weeks ago on Thursday. Look at this one, right? Now, again, look at what I'm seeing. I see structure level. I see higher high. I see previous high. I see higher low. Oh my God, uptrend, uptrend. See? And then if you look at the other one just here, where was it? A sell. Look at this sell here, right? Look at this one. Okay, you ready? Look, uptrend, manipulation, load of wicks, blah, blah, blah. Comes down, retouch, bang, break and retouch, sell. So this is what I want you to get in your head now going forward is don't speculate. Don't panic about, oh, what about this level? What about that level? What about this fair value gap? Just relax and go, step back. What's the charts telling me? Can I confirm a trend? Is it an uptrend? Is it a downtrend? No, I cannot confirm that this is an uptrend. So I'm going to back out of this trade. It's not the right trade for me. I don't feel confident. Move on to the next one. Okay? If you're unsure, yes, asking for help is great. But sometimes, you know, if you don't feel confident in a trade and I go, well, I'm going to take the trade, you're going to sit there and think, well, maybe I should take the trade because Jamie's taking it. I can show you the path. I can't make you walk the path. I want you lot to be in a position that you're telling me setups. Jamie, I took this trade. Amazing trade. Perfect. That's what I want it to do. Okay. If you have to ask around, is this a setup? Is it not? You maybe need to step back and go, okay, let's ask myself first. Is this a valid setup? Does it meet the rules? Can I confirm a trend? Is there a clear area of structure? Is it a clear lower low, lower high? If it is, where's going to be my entry point? Where am I going to be putting my stop loss? What's my target? And then over time, you'll build up the confidence. So I hope you enjoyed that video. My name is Jamie Palmer. Thank you for watching.